Go ahead.
Oh, wow. Uh-oh, look at him. He's ready to burst.
I see a break there.
Get him right in the bread basket.
Just like T-ball. Kaylin, just like T-ball. Hit it just like you do T-ball. Oh! Wow!
Don't step on any of that. Now that's my candy.
Let's see.
Oh,
Wow.
I bet you will be able to get through me.
Wow.
Yeah.
What else is in him?
I think we have a David Ortiz in our midst.
Wow. Hey, remember, don't hit anybody. Wait a minute. You know what, Kaylin? Slow down for 1 second. Let me slow him down because your candy's going to go in the woods. What's that? A toy came out of there.
See if he has any more goodies.
Don't hit it too hard. You break the toys.
And the toys will go, so hit him, but don't. There you go.
Not yet.
Wow.
Wow.
You guys like Smarties, right?
Yeah.
Give him a good wallop.
Something coming out of
I
him.
think there's a couple prizes ready to come out.
I know, right? There they go.
Wallop them.
Woo! I see a.
Whoa.
Good. That was a good one.
Wow.
Well, wait a minute. Now, we don't want to send your toys to the woods and the poison ivy. Let it slow down.
I know, they'll be gone.
Hit him where his legs are. I bet that'll
Hit him where it
release
hurts.
him. Don't let that bat go, whatever you do, okay?
Oh, there's a prize.
Uh-oh. Did some prize come out?
Not yet.
It's ready to come out right now.
Oh, a leg come off. What is it? Oh,
Don't
wow.
let Joker know that. He'll steal it.
There's a Super Bowl right there and there. There is, I bet there is. Oh, don't get hit with it. Oh, look at this, stuck. Everything's stuck in there.
I told you there's more prizes in there. You didn't believe me. Right.
Let me lower it for you. All right, but don't get hit with it. You got to get out of its way.
Give him a headache.
Don't let the bat go. Wow. Hey, look at the ball.
You better hide that. You better hide that.